UltraGrime here. We've got 4 products. We've got multi-use, which is our #1 selling product, multi-use biodegradable, Power Scrub, which is a dual-sided wipe, antiviral, antibacterial product as well. Unlike the traditional tubs, that is fully recyclable as well. The wipes inside, they're more like a huge cloth, so they're double the size of your standard wipe. So that can stay wet usable for over an hour as well. You can leave the packs open and they'll stay wet for months and months and months. With these, they're super tough, super absorbent, safe on all surfaces, so leather and upholstery, dashboards, your clothes, you name it. You can mop up moisture, so spillages of your water, oils, stuff, you can pick that up. Cleaning your hands, they don't leave a stickiness, and they don't leave an aftertaste on there as well. So if we just take a Power Scrub out, it's very effective on those tougher adhesives and silicone. CT1, so the construction adhesive here. So as you know, it's pretty tough stuff to get off here. So if we just put a bit on there and rub some in, so we'll get the wipe straight through the product there, and you can see it's leaving a clear non-tack finish. So being the cloth, it's gathered it onto the cloth as well. Take that around, use it again, so it reduces your waste on there. I could put it down, go away, do some more work, come back and use that same wipe for more jobs, so it's saving you money in the long run. We are manufactured in the UK as well, so we have full control of what we're manufacturing. We do things like pet wipes, barbecue wipes, outdoor, family, antibacterial around the house as well. So you name it, we can make it for you.
If you want the best deals on hand tools, power tools and accessories like what you see on this channel delivered to your inbox every single week at 6 p.m. on a Tuesday, hit the link in the description and join Tool Talk for free today.